how to put your Vodafone Automotive alarm into garage mode. So if you're running a driver's card, high security system, anti-hijack, passive crank, any of that lot, and you don't want to give the service agent your driver's card and just disable the system to make life easy, use your PIN number. This one is 3221. Get in the car, make sure it's disarmed so the LED is not flashing, then turn on the ignition, which I'm going to do now, and make sure the driver's door is open, and then type in your PIN number. 3, 2, 2, 1. The alarm will give one loud beep and one flash of the indicators. Right, so you've got your vehicle back from the mechanic and you want to turn driver's mode back on. How do you do this? Well, the procedure is exactly the same as the one to turn it on. Quick note, there are two versions of garage mode. Version A will automatically turn garage mode off once you've cycled the ignition on and off 10 times. This is a European regulation for compliance over there. Or you've got mode B, which with New Zealand not being in Europe, we don't have to stick to, so it will not turn back on until you do this procedure. So again, doors open, let's turn the ignition on, and then type in the PIN number. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 5 beeps of the siren and 5 flashes of the indicators. Garage mode is now turned off and your high security systems are activated once more. For more details, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.